Hello everyone, today I will show you how to limit typing characters in a fillable text field using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your fillable PDF from and this is a fillable text box. Here you can type unlimited characters. Suppose type any word and so on and see this. Here you can type unlimited character and I will limit your character. I will type here only 10 characters. Now click on this form option and here you will find the select field option. Now click on this text field and select and press right button for a mouse cursor and select your properties option and properties dialog box. Click on this option. Here you will find this limit of characters and enter your limit characters. I'll type here 10 already default setting here. You can type here variation of characters. Now say close. Now press hand option and type your character and say this and say this. Only 10 word characters here you can type and see this. You cannot type above 10 characters. Yeah, in this way you can limit your text box typing characters. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.